first arrive at Fest, you just feel the energy, right? So you walk in, high energy, and people really just excited to learn about new things.
It's almost a big party. It's an explosion of creative energy.
It's honestly like you're walking into a 21st.
It's eclectic, but it punches above its weight. Looking at the speaker list for this year, it's like, wow, there's more and more people coming from really interesting businesses.
There's politicians, there's entrepreneurs, there's investors, there's, people from a social impact perspective.
Anybody who's interested in the concept of design, and that covers so many industries.
You can also tell amongst the crowd that there was those international superstars that were just laying low key.
So you get to mingle with people from Amazon, Netflix, NASA, like people you just wouldn't meet going down to the shops. And it's really nice to be able to sort of meet those people, be treated as a peer.
May sound a bit weird, but that festival was actually life-changing. That was the first moment that we actually started putting our toes into Melbourne. And Fest sort of gave us that platform to just launch.
For me in particular, and for my firm, the benefit has been finding young talents with whom to engage.
It's finding the unknowns. They somehow pop up at Fest. So it is very much reflective because you get the people you expect to see at Fest, whether it's from corporate innovation, VC firms, big tech companies, early stage startup companies, but you also get the unexpected, which for me is the more interesting part of going to Pause.
I don't know of any other festivals that are as big and as prestigious as Fest for the Aussie ecosystem. It attracts so much talent. They're flying in people from San Francisco, and there's CEOs of all these huge tech companies, billion-dollar companies. You're guaranteed to learn something. You're not going to walk away with nothing. So the caliber of speakers is insane.
It is people who are genuinely excited about their job and they're talking about something that's really special to them.
I think what I'm looking forward to most with Fest next year is really just being surprised.
It just allowed me to meet the right people to be able to expand our business nationally.
It's really rare to have that caliber of speaker and that caliber of curation in Australia. And I think that's something that people take for granted, like year on year. It's like, oh, here's a bunch of top tier businesses. Of course, they'd be here. But I think it's important to acknowledge that that's really special. And it's a really great opportunity for everyone to come and support that and go, great, we want to come and listen to what you have to say.